This week in the tip laboratory, we want to talk about if you have a tire like this, but you want a slick like this. How can you achieve that?
First, give the rim a little paint. First, you go in your hardware store and you buy some of that soft rubber they have in the handcraft with a 2 or 3 millimeter thickness. Then you cut out the width of the rim. Now the trick is to let that piece about a millimeter longer as it actually needs, because that it will squeeze it in the end. Now we take some CA glue and glue it on the rim. Now this extra millimeter that we let will squeeze the material strong enough together that you can barely see the gap between those, and actually looks like a closed tire. Of course, you want to have that gap either on the downside of the wheel so no one can see it, or under the fender. But this is the tip of this week.